So for this exercise, you're going to take the Holland Code quiz. You're just basically going to address three areas. Are you, these words, like would they describe you? Can you? I would say like, can you do them well? So like, can I play a sport? Yeah, I play volleyball. I even play in a co-ed league, but like I don't think I'm like a superstar. So, can I solve math problems? Like, I can balance my checkbook and stuff like that, but it's not like something that I think that I excel at greater than everything else. So you're looking at things that you think you do well, and then do you like to? So whether you're good at it or not, do you like to do that? So like maybe you super like to cook without recipes to guide you. I don't know who does that. I can't cook hardly at all. But anyway, so you're going to go through and you're going to check mark all of these different things. And then you're going to click the submit answers and get your Holland code. And like that, don't overthink these now. So just like from your first thought, check it or don't check it. You don't want to be checking everything, So, okay, once you do that, it's going to give you your code. Depending on when I take this and what mood I'm in, I usually do end up with SCE. I always find it funny. And occasionally my C will come first, which I think is probably a little more accurate for my actual personality. But S is social. And as much as my students probably think that I'm social, I am social in professional situations, but not in personal situations. So like I have a very small group of friends. I don't super like to go out. A night at home is cool with me. So I'm not like social in my personal life, but I am social in my professional life. So the work environment it selects for me is social. So what you're going to do is you're going to identify your 3-letter code. I'm SCE, and that's in that order. Social 16, enterprising 12, conventional 13. Oops, I have that backwards. SCE. And then make sure that you identify the numbers that go with each of those. And then your main area that identifies, make sure you understand what that is. So social is my main area. Cooperative environment, supporting, helping, healing, nurturing, occupations is what it feels like I'd be good at. And then my lowest score is realistic. And so you could go in and look and see what all those things mean. But first off, just identify those. Then you're going to review the topology. So there's a button over here for the topology. I'm going to right click and open a new tab. Here are the different categories. You can click on them too if you want to jump down. So this talks about attributes. So like, what do these people require? What do they demand and want the display of? What do they value? What are some occupational types of things that they like? And then what are some sample occupations? And then down here, preferences for activities, values, they see themselves, how do others see them, and things that they avoid. So you're going to look at those, review that on your highs and lows. So realistic is like people who like to use machines. They need like material rewards. Yeah, that's definitely not me. So some of those types of carpenter, truck operator, that just wouldn't be me. So that's pretty accurate as my low. And then I want to look at social, and then look and see how is this like me. So you're going to review those. And then after you talk about that a little bit in your response, you're also going to review the suggested occupations, not from this page, but from the other page. So if you come back to social, you can look and see. Now the first page of results it tries to give you things that have all 3 of yours, or at least 2. So if I go back to my original results where it says I'm SCE, so these are S, but I could also look through here and be like, here's an SAE. So that might be a little more in line because it has 2 of my numbers, or letters. So look at those and then find 2 or 3 occupations on this list, on the first list, that interest you, that you think, now don't like, I might be a recreation teacher or it might be an art teacher. Well, that's both teachers. Just stick with teacher. That'd be one. And then something else. So maybe a medical assistant would be interesting to me, or an occupational therapist or something like that. So you're going to look at the whole list, find 2 or 3. If there's only 2, then pick 2. If there's maybe 3 that interest you. We're going to be focusing on careers in this class, so we want to make sure that you look at what really interests you. Based on your personality, your abilities, and your likes, it gives you these results, and then you're going to analyze that, and then you're going to write a response. Okay, so that's basically how you use the website.